How to fix blurry WhatsApp profile picture. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and in this video we will see how we can fix blurry WhatsApp profile picture. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. The first solution is to check if your application is updated or not. If your application is missing out any updates, you might be facing the problem. So to check that, open a Play Store in your device and then search for WhatsApp. If there is any pending updates in the application, you will have update button where I have opened. Simply tap on update. Once the application is updated, go back and check whether the problem is resolved or not. If still not, the second thing you have to make sure is your internet connection. Make sure you have strong internet connection. If your Wi-Fi connection is not working properly, you can switch that with your mobile network as well. Once you have done that, go and check for your issue. If still not, then what you have to do is open up settings in your device. Tap on apps. Tap on see all apps. Tap on the search icon and here search for WhatsApp. Tap on storage and cache and then tap on clear cache. Clearing the cache will remove some glitches from the application which might help you to solve your problem. Once you have done that, hit back and check whether the problem is solved or not. If still not, the last option is to check if the picture that you are trying to upload as your profile picture is in high quality. If not, remove this picture and upload another high quality picture. And that's how you can fix the WhatsApp blurry profile picture problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.